Found MCB files in your Minecraft world structures folder. These define saved building structures that can be loaded into your world. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how these Minecraft structure block files work and how to use them. We'll be comparing our manual fix to the final option, made possible by using just one industry-leading MCB file inspection tool that supports a vast library of file formats. MCB files are structure data files associated with Minecraft's structure block system, used for saving and loading building structures within game worlds. They contain 3D block arrangement data, including block types, block states, entity placements, and structural metadata for reproducible construction templates and procedural generation. MCB files use NBT, named binary tag, compressed format, storing a three-dimensional block palette with indexed block state references, entity data, and structure size dimensions. The format records block positions relative to the structure origin point, with optional data integrity tags and author metadata for structure identification. Official support for MCB is primarily provided through Minecraft from Mojang Studios. The file's embedded objects and layers require specialized software for full access. Windows cannot preview gameplay resources, so accessing them must be done through dedicated tools. To circumvent the initial application error, right-click the MCB file and choose Open With. Prioritize Minecraft if available. If absent, choose another application. We are looking for a successful file association. When an MCB file fails to open, it is usually for a basic reason. Since the primary method failed, the error is likely internal. Immediately begin these 3 essential checks to diagnose the file's integrity. First, loading structures in-game, in Minecraft. Java Edition, place a structure block in load mode and enter the structure name matching the MCB file name. The structure block reads the file from the world's generated structures folder and displays a preview bounding box. Click Load to place the saved structure into the world at the structure block's position. Next, creating new structures. Place a structure block in save mode in Minecraft and define the bounding box around the build you want to capture. Name the structure and click. Save to create a structure file. Use the detect button to automatically size the bounding box. Saved structures can be loaded repeatedly for duplicating builds across your world. Finally, editing structure files. Use NBT Explorer to open and edit MCB structure files, modifying block palette entries, entity data, and structure dimensions. For visual editing, load the structure into a Minecraft world. Make changes in-game, then resave with a structure block. Advanced users can programmatically generate structure files using Python NBT libraries. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You may find success with a solution built on independent file logic that aims to read the file header at the byte level to identify the format, regardless of its current label. When you need a guaranteed result, I strongly recommend File Magic. Its ability to read corrupted archives and show a file's contents instantly, even without the right extension, makes it invaluable. Get your copy at filemagic.com. Thank you for being a subscriber. If you're new here, tap that button for more specific file format guides.